I'm Juliet.
I'm Abhay.
And I'm Armin.
This is our audio sampler.
Yay!
Alright, so this is a diagram of the basic operational flow of our audio sampler. We'll go through each component and show you how it works.
Alright, here we are. This is our audio sampler GUI, and this is our layout. Let's start off by playing a frequency from the synthesizer. So let's choose 440 Hertz. Play that for, let's say, half a second. And we're going to play a sine wave. And just play that. Sine wave. Click on the square wave. Play. And we can also play a sawtooth. So we can also export this. So let's choose sample 10. And when we click export, in the output box it says loaded tone to sample 10. That means when we click on sample 10, we'll hear our wave. Now let's load a file into a sample. So we do that by going to the load box, clicking on browse, and then let's select our file and export this to sample 1. Now when we click on sample 1, our song. Now if we don't want to hear the whole song, we can chop it. So let's go to the chop box, type in our beginning time and our end time. So let's play 10 seconds to 15 seconds. And we'll just chop it to the same box, the same sample pad. So input samples sample 1, output sample 1. Export that. Output box says chop to sample 1. Now when we click on sample 1. Okay, now let's start by messing around with some of our special effects. We have 24K Magic loaded into our sample 1. So let's first reverse it, and let's put it in sample 2. So once we export that, we have special effect applied to sample 2. Now let's click on sample 2. And now that is the creepy reverse version of it. We can also slow the song down. Let's do 0.9 speed. And then we'll edit sample 1, and then we'll put that into sample 3. Once we click export, we can click on sample 3. And that's the slowed down version. The reason why it's reversed because we left reverse on. We can unreverse that by putting sample 3 as the input sample and as the output sample, turning reverse on again, and putting speed of 1, export that, and this should be re-reversed. Okay, nice. Now let's try doing different things. We're going to put a 2-second delay on this song. And we're going to tone control. Let's turn that on. Set the tone control to, let's say, 400. Export that to sample 3. We have the 2-second delay. Okay, let's re-reverse that again, and let's turn the voice removal on, which doesn't quite remove the voice absolutely, but it does suppress it. Okay, nice. And that is pretty much all for special effects.
Now to begin talking about the loop player functionality within our audio sampler. In the bottom left hand corner there is a loop box. Within the loop box there's there is space for 2 WAV files to be uploaded. If you go ahead and click the browse button, you can go ahead and find your 2 WAV files. There's one and the second. Now once the two WAV files are loaded in, you can go ahead and press the play loop button, and what this will do is it's going to start to play an infinite loop of the two files back to back up until you press the stop loop button to stop the playing of the two files. You can also upload only one file and have that played in an infinite loop as well, and it'll be stopped in the same way as if there were two files added by just pressing the stop loop button.